Honour members, I think as you will all appreciate that
Diko yake rina ya muthia bunge ya bururi ne thire na mbere na ndereti igi mutaratara wa watho wa maiganani. Gukumirugamo ngurani igithie na mbere kwiyumirio na thengia wa abunge a ciama itiganite guthingatwo mahitukie watho uyu.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
No na thengia wa uregani na watho uyu kuma kuri namba nini ya abunge kwiyumiria hindi ya ndereti ino. Dariri ciothe ironania uhotani munene kuri anyiti mbaru wa mutaratara uyu thutha wa namba nene ya abunge kuhinyiriria murugamo wa kunyita mbaru ona gwakinya ne kuikiria kura.
Just as what has happened in our schools, where the boy and the girl sits in the same class and competes, there is no one who is given a Mwakenya so that the girl can pass. This issue of creating positions for nomination is a backward way of doing things.
We agreed to the two-third gender principle. We agreed to fair representation of persons with disabilities. If we no longer agree to this, then let us go back to a referendum and say that we are not willing to actually enact this part of the Constitution or realize this particular provision of the Constitution.
I want to warn the men of this House, Mr. Speaker, that if women of this country realize the potential they have and they start loving each other, Mr. Speaker, these goals will be shifted like yesterday.
And whoever goes against the supreme law of the land, Mr. Speaker, is not only repugnant but inconsistent with the natural laws and justice. Mr. Speaker, women are the cream de la cream of the society.
Niguo kuhituka na gutuika watho mutaratara uyu no nginya wikirio kura ne abunge matanyihire 233. Riu kibarua kinene gia kwiguithia abunge gukeyumiria na kunyita mbaru gigitigwo moko-ini ma abunge atumia rungu rwa Kewopa. Undu umwe na mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini Aden Duale kuona noe mwene mutaratara uyu wa watho.
This is going to be a controversial debate, and it is going to be controversial at the level of the debate and at the moment that we shall be called upon to vote. And it is at that point when we shall be voting that the real mettle of the men and women who have spoken in this house shall be proven.
Right now we are talking, I've heard some members saying, let's support it, just say we support it. But when we come to voting, people will walk out. We are not being genuine to ourselves, Mr. Speaker. Unless another Soipan rule is going to be, introduced in the House.
Gutiruho kwa ndereti ino gutigite maitho mothe riu merekeirio bunge-ini ya bururi mbere ya gutabanio gwa kura ino. Akenya aingi makienda kuona kana rita riri watho uyu ni ukuhituka thutha wa gukorwo haguritwo maita matatu maria wanakorwo bunge-ini hau kabere. Kuringana na gatiba ya bururi watho uyu wagiriirwo ni gukorwo hitukitio na kwambiriria kurutithio wira mwaka-ini wa 2015.
Honorable Speaker, I stand to support the Twali bill.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV. Jitagwo Mwaura. Wagunya.
Twali bill.